All right, so this is a blank slate, and yeah, it's a little echoey in here right now because the house is completely empty, but this is the new studio. So I will be doing some setup tips and things like that, some wire management, and this is owned, not rented, and so I'm going to be able to do what I want to do without any limitations. So stay tuned for that. I'll be going over the things that make sense, the things that don't, and yeah, that's quite a nice wall to work with here. And yeah, the acoustics are pretty good in here. I mean, it's carpet, and for not having any treatments on the walls, not bad. So I'm pretty happy with this. Stay tuned. I'm really excited about what's to come. Thanks so much, and please subscribe.